Hey there, YouTube. This is Naturally Breezy again, letting you know my reasons for not getting Sisterlocks. No shade to Sisterlocks. I think they're gorgeous, but these are my reasons. Number one, I'm cheap. Guys, I just could not fathom putting that much money into a hairstyle. Now, granted, it is a worthwhile hairstyle. Sisterlocks are definitely worth it, worth the investment and things like that. But it just coming out of my pocket, I could not do it. Number two, I do not follow the rules. I do not follow the rules at all. And Sisterlocks has an entire set of rules that you have to follow in order to protect your investment. And that's what it's set up for, to protect your investment. You're not going to spend over $1,000 putting this thing in your hair and then mess it up in one wash day. So that's why those rules are there. I don't follow them because usually my hair is not one size fits all. So I have to do what my hair speaks to me. Number three, I did not want to commit to a consultant. So that's my number three. I just like to do my hair when I want to do it. You already know that I have a 4-week and a 6-week schedule for the front and the back of my hair. So who's going to a consultant twice to get the front and the back redone? So they would probably put me on an 8-week schedule and get everything done all together. Not for me. Number four, I no longer braid and band. I'm only 3 months into this journey, going on 4. I don't braid and band, and I stopped by accident. And I have this story on my Instagram page. Follow me on Instagram. But I was helping my neighbor move a ladder, and I literally just went outside really quickly to help out. And I didn't have anything covering my head because I didn't plan on doing yard work. And all of this debris fell into my hair coming from the top of this ladder. So I had to wash my hair without braiding and banding to get all of the debris out of my hair. I realized that I do not need to braid and band because I experienced no bunching and no slippage, no more slippage than I experienced when I exercise. So my theory is, if I'm going to get slippage from exercising anyway, why am I braiding and banding as well? So I just don't. Now, that's not for everybody. Please do not stop braiding and banding. If you have a soft texture hair, if you think you're 4C, but you really might not be, you might want to keep braiding and banding, because some folks think they're 4C because their hair is dry and it's hard to manage. But once you moisturize it, it's all these like curly coils, and you're 4A, 4B. So if you're not really sure if you're 4C, don't do what I did. I am not telling people to follow my rules. Just this is what I did. Next, I am seriously considering coloring my hair before the recommended 6 to 9 month period. And I gotta tell you, the only reason why I haven't colored my hair yet is because I have not decided on a color. My hair in the summertime gets lighter because of the sun. So right now it's like, if you're going by like weaving standards, it's a 1B or a 2 right now on the ends, and the rest of it is like 1B. I don't know what color I want to do my hair yet. I kind of want to do like an auburn, but nothing too bright. So I'm still deciding what color I want to change my hair to, but I have no intentions of waiting 6 to 9 months because I really don't think my hair is going to unravel. The next one. If I want extensions, I'm going to get extensions. It's that simple. Like I'm having fun doing my little hairstyles and doing all my little updos and things that I can get with my little tiny Microlocs right now at this point. Yeah, I'm terrible at this, so I hope y'all can see this. I'm having fun with that, but I have no problem putting extensions in. If I want to do a bun up top, I don't have enough hair for that. I have enough hair to gather to the top, but I don't have enough hair to like wrap a bun or whatever. I'm gonna have a little stingy ponytail. So I'll buy them. I'll put them in if I choose to. I don't care because I don't follow the rules. Um, the next one, and I've already said this, I do not follow a standard retie schedule. We talked about that when I was talking about the consultant. I'm on a 4 week for the back, 6 weeks for the front. The front is coming up this week. Let me get closer so you can see. Yeah, you can see it now. Look dusty, brusty, brother. Um, the front is in need, honey, of a retie. Let me do over here so you can see better. The front is in need of a retie. See my new growth. That's only 6 weeks for the front. That's not a lot of new growth, honestly. Well, that one is for the front. And then the back, I just retied a week ago. So I'll show you. I'm not going to take anything out, but you can see it's a little bit cleaner in the back. So yeah, I fix my hair so I don't look cray cray. Number 8, and you guys can come for me for this one because I personally just don't see the hype with rose water. And I know a lot of people, I'm not sure if that's an official Sisterlock rule or not, but rose water is like what everyone uses to spray their hair. I don't like the smell. It smells like somebody's grandma. And I just don't see the hype. It's expensive. It's very expensive. So I don't really see the reasoning. So I use distilled water and some jojoba oil and some lavender essential oil in a spray bottle, and I shake that up and I spritz my hair. I have those continuous spritzer bottles every few days, or if I wake up in the morning and my hair is like stiff and sticking straight up. That leads me to my next one. I use oil, honey. I use oil in my spritz, and I also use oil if my scalp is getting dry. So if I feel like my scalp is dry, I'm going to put either jojoba oil or sweet almond oil on my fingertips, and I'm going to massage it into my scalp. Winter is coming. Shout out to Game of Thrones. Winter is coming, so I really am going to be needing some kind of oil on my scalp. So I am not opposed to oil. I am not afraid of oil. I will be using it if I need to. Not heavy, not Jamaican black castor oil. That's too heavy for your hair. But I will be using jojoba or sweet almond oil. That's just where we are with things. So let me scroll on down because my list is right here underneath the camera. My last reason, and guys, my last reason is I am so scared of the Sisterlock tool. Now let me explain this one. So I'm gonna put a picture up either here or here. We'll see where it fits better. But I'll put a picture up of the Sisterlocks tool. It's pretty much like a crochet hook, like an actual crochet hook, not the latch hook that people use to put crochet hair in. But it's a little bit sharper because it has a pointy end. And it's similar to the dreadlock management system tool, which I'll also put a picture of as well. And for me, the reason why I'm scared of it, because I used to use the traditional crochet latch hook to put crochet hair in when I was wearing those styles. And I actually broke my hair off in the crown area here from the using it, the tension, the tool, the rubbing my scalp. It just broke my hair off. My hair right there is very tender. Y'all know 4C hair cannot be manhandled. And that broke my hair off several times because it broke it off. It would grow back. It broke it off to the point where I thought I had some sort of alopecia. I was scared. So I am scared to use that tool. I've heard horror stories of people with sensitive, fine hair, it being broken by the wrong consultant, their hair being broken off and locks falling off and thinning and things like that. It's definitely by the wrong consultant. Notice I said that because the right consultant knows how to use it. But I'm just scared of it. So, me and my Lock Sanity tool that I got from Amazon, I'll show that to you. I use that and it works just fine. It's smooth. I don't feel any kind of, pulling or rigidity or anything like that. So I feel great using that tool and I feel like my hair is not being broken off. So that is what I use. So that's it. Those are my reasonings for not getting Sisterlocks. Like I said, no shade to Sisterlock. This is truly a personal choice. All right, guys, you take care.